Happy birthday, John. Happy birthday, John.
Hello, Kuya John, Ate Gina, Maddie, and Robin. Happy 50th birthday, Kuya John. Half of century of full of wisdom, perseverance, and enthusiastic human being. Also, congratulations on your new stage of your life for finishing your education. So this is a testament that achieving your dreams in life, your background, your status, your nationalities, and even your age doesn't matter. So I just want to wish and hope nga tagaan pa ka og uncountable nga birthdays, peace of mind, and healthy body to celebrate together with your family and people who love, who care, and who support you. So happy birthday! See you soon here sa Pinas.
Gaya kanta! Happy birthday! Kusga! Faster! One more! Happy birthday to you!
Good morning, Ma'am Gina, John Bicor, Robin, and Maddie. First of all, happy 50th birthday, Iski Chairman John Bicor, Sinisa Omolon. Wishing you more birthdays to come, good health, and God bless you all. Happy birthday, John. Kita kits on next year. Love you.
Message.
John Bicor.
Maayong buntag, Mr. Chairman John Bicor Molong. Happy 50th birthday. Ang grupo sa SK kauna na malapuson sa itong mga plano o punta bagpuyog ka ta antong sa pagkasiguan. Happy birthday John, God bless. Happy 50th birthday.
Like that?
50.
Yeah, advance belated happy birthday to Gina.
To SK Chairwoman Ma'am Gina Omolong. Belated happy birthday sa inyo. Maayong gabi o God bless.
Kanta. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wow, senior na. Happy ka na senior dyan. Good health dyan.
Tambay yun!
Happy birthday, John Bicor. Ang birthday message ko sa imo nga magpadayon ka sa imong maayong buhat. Sukad sa atong panaghikala, gikan sa sangguniang kabataan, nga nahimo kang modilos, isip, patanon sa magkikay. O hantod karon giidolo ka sa ubang mga tao. Bisag layo ka na, ang atong banding sa atong iski naara gihapon. Wala mausab wala mabungkag o wala mahimong babag ang ilayon sa atong panaghigala o sa imong pagserbisyo sa imong pamilya, sa katilingban o sa komunidad, ang imong kasing-kasing doon sa mga katawhan. O diha ang hinaot mi nga magpadayon gihapon ka kung unsay imong nasugdan nga pagserbisyo na makalipay sa ubang mga tao. O gikan sa Mañanitas family, we wish you a blessed birthday and good health always. From the bottom of our hearts, happy birthday, John Vicor.
Attorney, happy birthday. Wishing you good health and blessed life. Sukat na nagkaila 42 years ago. Watching yourself. Pabilin siya kang humble. Considerate artist. Tatak dyan by for a moment. Congratulations sa imong bagong achievements sa kinabuhi. Kung amping kanunay, upang sa imong pamilya. Kung asa man taabton sa tong edad, kung antod ta asa ito, you will always be my best friend forever. Once again, happy birthday. Amping.
Happy birthday, John Vicor from Magikay Choir.
Birthday dong, John. Denzin, inalas ba? John, dahil na happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday, John. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day.
And thank you for your kindness and generosity, John. Once again, happy birthday to you.
Happy Happy birthday! Faster! Get one, tayo pe. 1, 2, 3, go! Na, why klase ugma?
Hi John, happy birthday! We hope that this year is filled with good health, new experiences, and lots of love, joy, and success.
Happy birthday, Tito John!
Enjoy your party!
Happy birthday to you. How does it feel to be 50? Gor nakabay. Hope you have a good birthday, John.
Happy birthday, Tito John. Wishing you good health and I hope you had a good birthday.
Pare koy! Kayawa oh. 50 pre, mura pa mangyapon kag 15 pre. Dili maka 50. Bata pa mangyakag now. Pre, wish you all the best pre. Good health, good fortune, peace, and harmony to you and to your family. Pre, nakoy regalo nimo pre. Nara pre.
Happy 50th, John. Enjoy.
15 gwapuha gigapon nimo pre. 15 butana og 15 brighta. Yawa gidi pare koy. Pare koy. Kita kitson pre ari di Christmas day para mga utag. Kuan ka nang sana. Lechon Cebu lechon. Sige pre, ayo pre.
Exit, okay.
One more to you. Happy birthday, dear Uncle John. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Uncle John. Uncle John.
Hello, Kuya John. Hi. Happy 50th birthday, Kuya John. Bata-bata na, Jud. We hope na like you enjoy your day. Okay ra mo tanan diha. Everything's going well, hopefully. Congratulations, by the way, sa bago ra nimo graduation. We're so proud of you, Kuya John, and we are so fortunate na you are part of our family, and we're so lucky to have you as our as my brother-in-law. Continue to spread gapon ang positive vibes to people around you. We wish you all the best, good health, and everything. And yeah, once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday and congratulations.
Happy
Good
birthday.
luck sa new career. And see you soon.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, kisses. Bye.
Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Birthday, Kuya John. No.
Birthday, Uncle John. I hope that 50-50 treats you well, and thank you for the things that you've done for your family and for the Kataris family. And I pray and hope that you have a long and happy life.
Kuya John, happy 50th birthday. Congratulations on your new achievement in life, and see you soon. I hope you will have a long and healthy and more birthdays to come para magkuyog pa ta and para makahatag pa na akong regalo sunod buwan. Thank you, Kuya John. I love you.
Hi, Kuya John! Happy birthday! Swerte kay kakaroon adlaw kayo birthday datumo sa imong adlaw na tawhan. So, happy na birthday pa. So, Kuya John, congrats sa imong new career puhon. Then, see you soon. So, I hope you stay healthy together with your family, and soon, see you soon. We're playing basketball. So, take care always your health, Kuya John, and happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Kuya John!
See you
soon!
Magabi ninyong tanan. Gabi na ni Kuya John sa nag-birthday karon si.
So, pre, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya John.
Dahil nadato karon murag bulaga na po ko sa katuig. Inaot na tagal pa ka o tataas nga kinabuhi o may panglawas. So,
yes, Kuya John. Happy birthday again, Kuya John, and congratulations. Kay nag-graduate ka sa naimong kinalitan, Kuya John. Congrats, and then more blessings to you, to your family, and then continue nga mahimo kang maayong ehemplo sa imong pamilya. Charing, hindi pa rin. Happy birthday, Uncle John. Happy birthday. Okay, bye. Happy birthday again. Magluto ka, mapayag ako manok. Bye.
Happy 50th birthday, Kuya John.
Happy birthday, Uncle John. Congrats for your 50th birthday, and congrats for graduating to become a doctor.
Yeah. Happy birthday, Uncle John. I hope you have a nice birthday, and thanks for being around, Robbie and Maddie.
Okay, happy birthday, Kuya John. 50 years on Earth. That's a long life. Hope you have more things to do. Daghan pa kang gustong buhaton. I know you can do it with the guidance, of course, with Ate and with your family, with the inspiration of your family. So more life to your years, and enjoy your day, whatever your dreams and aspirations in life. There's still time. You can still do it. Okay, we can all still do it. Me, I'm also a little bit old, but yeah. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Thank you for everything, for what you have done in our family and to our clan. Okay?
Happy birthday, John. I hope that you enjoy your 50th birthday. And because it's your 50th birthday, I am fine you getting blood from me in December. Only in December. So again, happy birthday and congratulations to the new achievement that you had last week. Bye.
Hi, John! Happy birthday, John! 50th birthday anniversary. Pa, message ni John. Salamat, Ginoo John, sa hatag kinabuhi itong lawat ang kadiri kinabuhi itong lawat po dahil sa Amerika at ang pamilya din sa imong anak niya pamilya dyan salamat ha imong mama din Pilipinas na Piliman pagkamat ka ng lawat huwag ka na imong mga amigo din sa Amerika sa Georgia, USA.
Happy birthday, John! Happy 50th birthday. Hope you have more birthdays to celebrate. Hinaot pa unta nga tagaan ka sa Ginoo, taas pang kinabuhi, aron makauban nimo ang imong mga minahal sa kinabuhi, imong pamilya. God bless you. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Kuya John. Happy 50th birthdays. I hope nga malingaw ka sa imong pagka-healthcare worker. I hope nga ma-enjoy nimo imong bagong kuan, bagong job, imong trabaho nimo, then enjoy your days sa dia, and I hope nga God will give you more birthdays.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy to you. Thank you, bye-bye.
Happy birthday, John. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, John. It's not the years that matter, but how you lived your life. Amazing and incredible. 50 years good in the making. You have a very blessed family, imo bang anak, talented in the arts, in music, and in sports. Nga ikaw, imbis mag-abogado ka diri, nahimo ka ng medical practitioner. God has His plans for you, and His plans are only for the best for you. You have a wonderful family. So, John, we wish you all a very, very happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday, John. For reaching this incredible milestone is a beautiful reminder of the life you have built, full of lessons, laughter, and meaningful moments. May this new chapter bring you lasting prosperity, deeper peace, and a lifetime of happiness. God bless and more power to you and your family.
Birthday. I wish you all the best and congratulations for reaching the milestone of golden age. Happy birthday and have a wonderful day.
Happy birthday, Manny Vigi. I wish you good health and more happiness to your family. May your day be filled with laughter, love, and more memories. And congratulations to your new achievement. And thank you for the core memories and adventures you've given or shared to me during my teenage years, and the opportunity that you entrust to lead the youth in our community. And once again, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Mwah!
Vijay, happy birthday. I hope your birthday is full of love, joy, and laughter, and all the things that make it happiest. More abundant blessings to come, more candles to blow, and stay fit and healthy. Also, wishing you all the success and happiness at everything that you do. And since it's your very special day, I would like to sing a happy birthday song to you. This is for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Manu Vijay. Happy birthday to you. I miss you. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Jan Biker. Happy birthday. We wish you good health. We wish you more wealth. You have that already. And both of us are wishing that we have more height and lesser weight. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Part, happy 50th birthday. Dari arong labay sa panahon. Maramag yesterday pa. Nagagmay pa kita diri sa una. Sus, kadali ra. So, enjoy your birthday part, and I hope you keep supporting the youths here in Magikay, especially sa sports. So, kinumdum lang ko sa una sa gagmay pa ta nga
first ka nagda diri sa liga sa Atua diri pa sa katong yuta, which is Alegre. So unsa may atong ma-wish nimo, it's many more birthday to comes. Thanks to both of you and Gina for raising your kids. You've been great parents to your kids, especially Vicor, a great child, son to his parents, and a good friend. So Part, again, happy 50th birthday and enjoy every minute of it. Happy to sa mo sa isinta. Nga man sila kuno nga life begins at 50. So enjoy Part sa imong new 50 up to siguro mga 90 kapin. Kay mga tagas manig mga kinabuhi kuno ingon nila nga mga siniza. So Part, enjoy and amping dia pirmi.
John Vicor, happy 50th birthday. I'm gonna play a little piece of music for you, and I hope you enjoy it even if it's small. Happy birthday, Uncle John Vicor, and I hope you get everything that you wish for and your life goes the way you planned.
Happy birthday, Te. Pag-amping kanunay sa imong lawas, and hopefully you have a wonderful and successful career ahead.
Happy birthday, Te. So this year is really a very special year kay 50 na ka. So ang wish nimo is amping sa lawas, because definitely health is wealth. We all know that in the recent years, and then we wish you a very successful career ahead of you. So kay mura na ang imong forte is na sa medical field. It's good because you have the compassion and the passion to serve those who are sick in the hospital soon, and then just be happy with life, with family and friends, because the best things in life are free, and family, good health and happiness are the best things in life. Happy birthday again from all of us here in Australia. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday.